Here I am in Affinity Designer and I want to add blur to this background, but there aren't any live filters in Affinity Designer. So to do that I have to go File, Edit in Photo, and it will launch this project inside Affinity Photo. And from here I can select the layer and then add any filter I want. Let's add Gaussian Blur. Check the preserve alpha to get rid of the white edges. And now if we want to go back to the Affinity Designer, again go to File, Edit in Designer, and it will open this project inside the designer. But that's a lot of steps, but there is a way to achieve the exact same thing without doing all these steps. To do that you have to open Affinity Photo, go to the Windows and select Assets, and here you can store any layer you want. Let's select this layer and apply a live filter. Let's apply motion blur. After you have applied, you can select the layer and drag the image and drop it into the asset. And now you can reuse this layer again and again. We drop this, it will have the motion blur. Now how do you access this asset inside Affinity Designer? To do that you go to the three dots menu and select link categories, and it will link this with Affinity Designer. So now if you open Affinity Designer and go to the Windows asset and default with the link icon, you will get this layer. You can drag and drop it into the canvas and it will have the motion blur effect applied. So you can take that and drop it into your own image and you can delete this layer and you will get that motion blur. So you can apply all these effects in different layers and drag it and drop it into the asset. But here's the good news, I already did the heavy lifting for you. From the description you can download this file and open Affinity Designer, and from the asset panel open the three dot menu and select import as and select the file I have gave it to you, and it will import all the live filters that is available in Affinity Photo. Let's add this Gaussian blur. Click and drag and take the Gaussian blur effect and you can drop it on the layer or you can drop it on the thumbnail of the layer. After you do that you can just click on it and then change the value and it will apply the Gaussian blur into your background, and then you can delete this layer. One thing you should know, there are some effects like this one that says turn on visibility, which means you have to turn on the visibility from the layer, drop down layer, and turn on this visibility to apply the effect. I turned it off because it was not working properly while it was turned on. So some of this effect you will have to turn it on manually. And that's it. I hope you like this video. Do let me know in the comment section and I will see you in the next video.